Delta, it's a pleasure to welcome you to Caracas, Venezuela, where the local time is 10:02 p.m. There has been a 30-minute time change from Atlanta. The captain does have one final request, that is that you please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until he has parked the aircraft at the gate and turn the fasten seatbelt sign off. This will be your signal that we have arrived at the gate and it's once again safe to move about. Before deplaning, please check in the overhead compartments underneath the seat in front of you as well as a seat pocket.